What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Kia Sportage SX in Patina Gold Pearl, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood. And what an attractive, comfortable SUV this is. Move inside here. This is a luxurious interior. There's piano black styling touches on the doors. You have power windows, power locks, power mirrors with window lock. This has power folding in mirrors, so if you need to try and park in a tight parking spot, you can fold the mirrors in so you can fit in there, and when you pull out, you can fold them back out. This has the Harman Kardon premium audio sound system. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support, leather seats throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, nice materials in the middle here for arms to rest on. There's a large storage area right here, 2 big cup holders, automatic transmission. This has front and rear parking sensors, electronic parking brake, hill descent assist, an all-wheel drive lock, and different drive modes. So by pressing that button there, you can go through eco mode, sport mode, or normal mode, which is super cool. All the controls inside this Kia are very straightforward and easy to use. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it, and this switch right here will allow you to turn off and on the fog lamps for those foggy days. Bluetooth and audio controls on the left side of the steering wheel, cruise control on the right side of the steering wheel, nice SX badging on the bottom of the steering wheel, paddle shifters on the back. This is a leather wrapped steering wheel. The gauges look very good. I like them a lot. And this Kia only has 21,260 kilometers on it. Not very much at all. So come on down to Crosstown today and see if this is going to be your next everyday driver. In the middle here, there's directional air vents, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open those whenever you want. This does have the touchscreen system with GPS navigation and Bluetooth connectivity, of course. You can pair more than one device. You can search up points of interest for GPS navigation, search gas stations. You can listen to AM, FM radio, or you can listen to Sirius satellite radio. Tons of different options on the screen here. Check out the map. Gives you a great view of a large map. Tells you the time, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. You can save all your favorite presets on the left side here. It tells you a song and the artist in the middle of the screen. You do need a subscription for Sirius satellite radio. Piano black styling touches continues down here. These are the physical controls for the audio and the climate control. This does have dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Kia to adjust the climate control for you. You can adjust where you want the air to go, and you can sync and unsync the temperatures. Heated and ventilated seats up front. This also has a heated steering wheel for the wintertime. 2 12-volt power outlets. There's a USB port and an auxiliary port there. If I put the Sportage into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen system here, and if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. The front and rear sensors will let you know if you're getting close to any object, front or behind you, and you can turn them off whenever you want, right? Reading lamps up top, they are LED. Switch here for the Panoramic Sunroof. You can open it up, and when it's opened, it lets in lots of fresh air and even more sunlight, handy to have on those beautiful days. Convenience handle there for the front passenger, and even you, the driver, have a handle that you can hold on to. Moving into the back seat area here, piano black styling touches, heated seats in the back, power window switch, storage down below. There's tons of footroom in the back seat area, along with plenty of headroom. It is a 60-40 rear split setup back here, and if you pull this handle, you can fold the seats down. And when the seats are folded down, it gives you more space to haul bigger things inside this Kia Sportage. And using this handle here, you can pull the handle and then push it back up, and it'll lock back into place. Here's the back of the Sportage. You might be able to see the parking sensors on the back. This does have a power lift gate. Just press a button underneath here, and it opens up right before your eyes. Absolutely beautiful. Now you can see how much space there really is back here, even with the seats up. It's quite fantastic. There's a subwoofer on the right side. There's a cover right here, and you can pull it up, and when it's pulled up, it exposes the spare tire. Always handy to have a spare tire. There's a convenience light on the left side. There's tons of space back here for groceries, tools, luggage, you name it. The button for the power liftgate to come back down is up here. Just press it and it goes down right before your eyes. And there's a spot for your hand to go so you can manually pull down the liftgate. There's a fold down armrest in the middle here in the back seat area with two big cup holders. This side also comes down. Just pull the handle here and boom, it goes right down. And there's hooks on the backs of the seats, so if you need to set up a child's seat, you can easily do that. And of course, it easily comes back up. If you're a passenger in the back seat area, you're in luck because there's many ways to charge your devices. There is a 12-volt power outlet, just one way to charge a device, and there's a USB port, which is also another way to charge devices. So you choose either way, your devices will be charged up. There's directional air vents in the middle, which you can close and open. Very handy to have so you can adjust your airflow. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat and a pocket on the back of the passenger seat. There's adjustable seatbelt height for the front seats, so depending on how big or tall of a person you are, if you're sitting in the front, you can adjust your seatbelt height. And there's hooks on both sides so you can hang up bags or clothes. And there's airbags built into the side curtains for safety. Great view of the panoramic sunroof from the back seat area. And there's handles in the back seat area, so if you're a passenger, you have something to hold on to if the ride gets a little bumpy. And there's LED reading lamps back here, so if you want to read a book or see what you're doing, you can turn on the reading lamp whenever you want. And there's tons of visibility out the front window, and in front of me is Crosstown Chrysler, looking good. Moving to the front passenger side here, piano black styling, touches, power window switch, power locks. Nice place for an arm, storage down below. Here is another logo for the Harman Kardon premium audio sound system. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. There is a lower glove box. It is quite large and there's lots of goodies in there for you, including a manual and a convenience light. Front passenger seat is fully power as well. Very easy to adjust that. One of my favorite aspects of the Kia Sportage is the interior design. It is well thought through. And here is the key fob. There is an unlock button, a lock button, a button which you can hold to open up the power liftgate. There's a Kia badge on the back and a panic button. It's the 2017 Kia Sportage SX powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood and has all-wheel drive. It's waiting for you